The quick way Billboard Mockup in Photoshop. Open the Photoshop and open New Image. Then go to the Select Rectangle 2 from the toolbar and create a shape. And stoke color off. Also fill color red. Right-click on Shape Layer, click on the Convert to Smart Object. Also decrease the opacity. Press Ctrl T, right-click, select Distort, and adjust the shape on frame. And increase the opacity. Double-click on Smart icon on layer. Then go to the File menu and click on the Place Embedded and place New Image. Also adjust the image. Then go to the File menu and click on the Save. Right-click and close. Change blending mode, normal to multiply, and design layer copy. Change blending mode, multiply to soft light, and make sure opacity 50. My Billboard Mockup in Photoshop. That's it. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe our Graphics Solution Tricks channel and click the bell icon for more updates.